Hello and welcome to CLounge e-approval tutorial.
First, select the document approval that you want to create.
After entering the approval menu, users can directly click the Create Draft button. After that, select the approval box and choose the approval you want to create. After the approval appears, fill in the required data. In the following example, we start from effective date. And next we start to choose from and to option. You can type if the option does not exist. Enter where you want to CC. And lastly, enter the subject of the approval. Users can type the content in this field, or user can copy-paste it from anywhere using Ctrl-Shift-V. User can customize the font type, font size, give color, background, and others using the following tools. Second, select the approval line. Once filled in, the user can set the approval line by click the Approval Line button. To make the search easier, select the topmost hierarchy and type the name of intended user. Check the intended user and click Approver. User can also set one of the approver as an agreement. Once it's done, click the Confirm button. Users can check the approval and agreement line again. And if you want to submit, click Submit. After submitting, the user can see the approval in the draft box. Third, Agreement section. Entering the Agreement section, the agreement will get pop-up notifications and bell notifications. In the waiting box, there is a notification that tells you how many agreements or approvals have yet to be processed. You can review the approval first before making the decision. As an agreement, you can only choose either agree or reject the approval. If you choose to agree, click the Agree button and you can ignore or fill the comment section. After that, the document is approved and save in your Approved box. Fourth, Approve and Reject section. Entering the Approver section, the approver will also get pop-up notifications and bell notifications. In the waiting box, it also notifies the approver how many approvals have yet to be processed. After approval appears, there are many options that approvers can take. Approvers can edit the approval, or they can also go straight to approve or reject the approval. If approvers want to reject, click the Reject button and enter the reason of rejection in the comment field. Once it's done, the approval will go to the Approved box and the approval status shown as Reject. Drafter will be also notified that his approval is rejected by the approver. Fifth, Resubmit by user. Drafter can resubmit the approval if the approval is rejected by the approver. As you can see here, the status of the approval are reject. Drafter can review it why it's rejected by go to the approval and see the comment section below. If you want to resubmit it, click Resubmit button above. Once it appears, Drafter can change anything in the approval from effective date to the content. For example here, I add some extra word in the content section. Once the editing done, you don't have to set the approval and agreement line again, because it's already there. After that, user can submit the approval. The approval will go back to the first approver or agreement, depends on the settings, and the system will generate the new number for the approval. Sixth, agreement after rejection. After drafter resubmit the approval, the agreement will get pop-up notifications and bell notifications. You can review the approval first before making the decision. As you can see here, there's additional content here because the approval has been edited by the drafter. If you choose to agree, click the Agree button and you can ignore or fill the comment section. After that, the document is approved and save in your approved box. Seventh, approve after rejection. After it's been agreed, the approver will notified by pop-up notifications and bell notifications. You can go to the waiting box to see the new approval. After it's open, you can see that the content section has been given additional content by the drafter. You can approve the approval now by click on the approval button. You can give comments or ignore it and click Approve. The approval will go into your approved box. You can see now there are two approvals with the same subject. The first one is the one that you rejected, and the other is one that you approved. 8. Last approver. After it's been approved by the first approver, the approval will go to the next approver. You can go to the waiting box to see the new approval. After it's open, you can review the approval. You can approve the approval now by click on the approval button. You can give comments or ignore it and click Approve. The approval will go into your approved box. Now, the approval has been completed, and the system will notify the drafter.